Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons. Those today probably I have to say botany lessons or marine botany lessons. And today I have prepared two easy questions for you. And the first question is, how many cells thick do you expect to observe in a cross-section of porphyra? And here is the variants to choose from. By the way, you can see this alga here on the right. And next question would be about alga, which is green alga. As you see, they look very similar, but porphyra is red alga and alga is green alga. Not too much to explain here, you just have to memorize that porphyra, so here's another picture of this seaweed, consists of single layer of cells. So thallus consists of only single layer of cells, so you see it's almost transparent. And for those of you who may say that they don't know this alga, actually you do know. Take a look. Another name of this alga is nori. And nori is used in order to prepare many Japanese food, especially sushi. And in recent times, you also can purchase it just like snack. So as you see, the correct answer is going to be answer A. This alga consists of only single layer of cells. And second question, alga green algae is siphonous alga and therefore is acellular consisting of tube siphon with no cross cell walls as a mass of cytoplasm. And here is an example of siphonous plant which doesn't have cells. So it is acellular, or we can say that has only one cell, and cross section would be as follows. So it's going to be multinucleated, and also we can find multiple chloroplasts here, and both these organelles would freely move through the thallus of this alga. This alga that I use as example of siphonous plant is Caulerpa, and it is edible just like alga. And now let's return to alga, and here's another picture of this alga, and as you see, it consists of two layers of cells. So thallus and blade of this alga consist of two layers of cells with accumulation of chloroplast closer to outside of the cell. Hence the statement alga green algae is siphonous alga and therefore is acellular consisting of a tube siphon with no cross cell walls as a mass of cytoplasm is a false statement. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.